All right, so we're going to talk about part two of your buying a house project, and this is where things get super fun. So you've looked at San Antonio and three other cities that you wish to investigate. And so now you need to choose one of those cities that you chose. And within that city, you're going to look for four homes in that area. Of your four homes that you choose, two of the homes must be average price based on that median home value that we found in part one. And the other two can be any of your choosing. So it could be your dream home, it could be a super conservative, cheaper home. That's entirely up to you. But make sure that when you're looking at this website that you're not looking at your rental properties for when you're buying a home. So just to refresh our memory, our median, I'm going to stay within San Antonio. You, of course, can choose whatever you like, is 175. So just make sure you're staying within that. So when you click on realtor.com, you need to choose, you can choose San Antonio, you can choose whatever city you're looking at, but make sure you're clicking on buy. So I'm going to choose, San Antonio. And maybe I want to look in the Tex Hill area. So that zip code is like 78258, I think. Um, and I can go search. And then we have all of these beautiful houses that are coming up. Now you can see here that you can choose from lowest price to highest price. So when we do that, so this is just land. We don't want to choose just land. We don't want to choose just for rent. We need to make sure it's going to be to buy. So all of these say land. That's not going to work. Um, and land. So you may have to scroll and take your time doing this because it's going to be super fun. So here I have, okay, house for sale. So you can see that in our area where Tex Hill is, obviously the houses are going to be more than that 175. So I may want to look through these and maybe I want to pick one that I like. I'm looking, oh, that one is very pretty. I'm going to choose this one. So when you click on that house, you're going to get a picture. I would suggest that you copy your picture and you go to house one, you can put that in there because if that's the house that you decide you want to use for your final slideshow, you'll already have a picture there and you won't have to go back and research it. I'm going to exit my gallery. Now, when you look at this, you can look through. You can see, oh, I do like the color of those stairs. It's nice big windows. Lots and lots of cool features about this house. And again, don't just click the first four you see. Have fun with it. Go through. This has a nice game area and see what you like about it. Oh, that's a very pretty view. And if it's you're like, oh, that is not what I thought it would look like inside, then by all means don't choose that. Now, if you choose this particular house, you're gonna want to fill in a couple of things. We need to know the square footage. Okay. Well, the square footage, as you can see right here, is very, very large. Oh, that's the lot. Don't choose the lot. We want to choose the house. So 2,045, and you're going to fill that in. You may need to change the size of the font so that it fits. The price of the home, well, the price of this home is 260,000, and again, it's going to be based off of whatever you choose, whichever house you decide. And on that one where it's like your dream home, some of y'all are going to go pretty crazy, and I'm excited to see exactly what you come up with. There we go. You want to tell me how many bedrooms and how many bathrooms? So 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. And that just means that there's a bathroom that doesn't have a tub. Key features, you can look here for features about the house. Sometimes they list them. Sometimes you need to look here. Then it's from 281. You can see it has the master downstairs, which if you're getting older, that's always a nice thing. And you can choose some of these different features to put there. It's got 2 living areas. It's got a living room, dining area combo. It has an island in the kitchen. So looking at these different features, that's what you would write here. And you can write as little or as much as you want. And then you can choose, 3 other houses. Make sure if you are in San Antonio or whatever city you decide to be in, 2 of them need to be around that median price point that you put in assignment number 1. Again, this one is not going to have a Google form, so make sure after you fill in all of your information that you go ahead and you hit turn in. There's not going to be a submit button. Let me know if you have any questions and have a fun time doing this.